For lecturer, I have already discussed the speed control method of DC shunt motor. Today I will be discuss about the speed control method of DC series motor. Okay. Speed control of method of DC series motor. Mainly three methods are available for the control of DC series motor. Okay, number one is flux control method. Flux control method. Second is variable resistance in series with armature. Okay, third one is series parallel connection, series parallel control. Okay, there are mainly three methods are control the speed of the DC series motor: flux control method, variable resistance series with the armature process, series parallel control. Okay, first I will discuss flux control method. Okay, flux control method. Flux control method. This method further divided in three modes. Okay, this method further divided in three modes. Number one is field diverter. Second is armature diverter. Third is tapped field control. Okay, first I will discuss field diverter. Okay, field diverter. What is field diverter? A variable resistance in connected parallel to the series field. Okay, I will draw this field diverter circuit diagram. The supply, the series field is the armature. Okay, is the series field. Here is a parallelly connected variable resistance is connected parallel to the series field. Variable resistance connected to the variable resistance RF. Okay, a variable resistance is connected parallel to this series field, shows in this diagram. Okay, this variable resistors is called as a diverter. This is called as a diverter. Okay, diverted, this is called as diverter. As the desired amount of current can be diverted, desired amount what is required in armature. Okay, the armature, desired amount required in armature, as the desired amount of current can be diverted through the resistor, and hence the current through field coil can be decreases. There is a parallel connected in field diverted resistance and will be connected series field, so the current is decreases when flowing the current from positive to armature current circulated the flow the current. diverted through the resistors, and the current through the field coil can be decreases. Thus the flux can be when current flow in decreases এবং low amount current is flow to the armature coil, so the flux can be decreases to the desired amount and speed can be increases. We know speed n is equal to eb by phi. Okay, when current flowing through this parallel resistance, diverter or series field, the current also be decreases as well as flux also be decreases, so the speed can be increases. Okay, then I will discuss armature levels. Okay, then we will discuss armature diverter. What is armature diverter? This diverter is connected across the armature. Okay, diverter means resistance, field variable resistance or resistor are connected in armature. Okay, across armature. Okay, I will draw this circuit. Okay, this is the series field, the armature, current flowing from positive to negative, current when flowing here is connected across armature. Diverter are connected across armature. Diverter means variable resistance or resistor. Okay, these are connected. The diverter, this call also diverter is connected across this is armature, across armature. Okay, so for given constant load torque, when load torque is constant, if armature current is reduced, then the flux must be increases. Okay, this will result in an increase in current taken from the supply, and hence the flux will increases, and subsequently speed of the motor will decreases. Okay, when flowing this current in armature, across the resistance or diverter are connected across the armature. The diverter are current when current flowing through diverter, field current through the diverter in armature, this current is decreases. When that time the flux will be decrease. When current is decreases, the flux also must be decreases. This flux must be increases. Okay, in armature. So when armature current is decreases or reduces, then the flux must be increases. When flux must be increases, then the time speed is increases. We know n proportional 1 by phi. Okay, in that equation, when flux or is increased, then the time speed is decreases. Okay, then I will discuss tap field control. Tapped field control. What is tap field control? I will draw the circuit diagram. this called tapped series field. Here is a connected in series, a tapped field. Okay, series connection. This is the armature I current. Okay, this circuit diagram is called tapped circuit diagram. Okay, as this figure, this coil is tapped and divided number of turns. This turns. Thus, we can select difference value of phi. We can select the difference by selecting different number of turns. When the number of turns increases, the current value is decreases. When the turns is decreases, the current flowing increases. When current flowing increases, the flux is increases. Okay, so the speed is decreases. So this tapping will be this coil. This tapping series field is control the armature speed. Okay, then I will discuss the first flux control complete. Then I will discuss variable resistance in series with armature. Variable resistance in series with armature. By introducing resistance in series with the armature, voltage across the armature can be reduces, and hence the speed reduces in proportional with it. Okay, variable resistance in series. When the resistance in series with the armature, voltage across the armature can be reduces, and hence speed reduces in proportional with it. Okay, then I will discuss the series parallel control. This system is widely used in electrical traction. Like as example, electrical train. Okay, electrical train. This system is widely used in electrical traction, used in a train motor, where two or more mechanically coupled series motor are employed. Where traction system, two or more mechanically coupled series motor are employed. Okay, for low speed, the motor are connected in series, and for high speed, the motor are connected in parallel. Okay, when it in series, the motor had same current. I will know when the connection is series, current are divided. Okay, 240 volt